Unfortunately, the grease on the forge is frozen up, so it doesn't want to work very well right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the fire going, and I think that'll solve my problem. So there's a little tooth right here in this gear. And when you spin the hub, the centrifugal force puts the tooth out and it grips the inside of this gear and engages the flywheel. There's a lot of grease in that hub, and that grease is cold, and so sometimes the tooth isn't coming out and engaging properly. I think warming it up is helping it work a little better, but it's still got problems. Let's see if that helped. Yeah, that's working. So I got a piece of leaf spring steel from a broken ATV trailer. We're gonna go ahead and heat that up. I'm gonna try to turn it into a knife. All right. There you go. There we go. I'm almost done using up all the bad charcoal. This stuff still works pretty good.